In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your Miro boards with this quick and easy guide using the updated method. If you've ever tried to navigate through the seemingly endless buttons and menus of Miro just to print a board, you're not alone. In this video, we'll demystify the process and make it simple for you to follow along. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Miro.com. This is where you'll access your boards. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in. You can do this either with your email or, if it's more convenient, using your Google account. Miro offers both options to make things as seamless as possible for returning users. After signing in, look for the login button and give it a click. If you chose to sign in with your email, make sure to select the continue with email option here. It's a straightforward step but essential to direct you to your personalized dashboard. Now that you've logged in, it's time to get to the board you want to print. Click on your board, which you can find on your dashboard. This will open up your workspace where all your creative genius resides. With your board open, look for the Export This Board button. Clicking this will bring up several options. Here's where it gets exciting because this is your gateway to transforming that digital board into something you can hold. Choose Save as PDF. PDFs are versatile, easy to print, and keep your content intact without any changes. Before you finalize your PDF, you'll be faced with two choices: small file size or best quality. If you're looking to save some space or perhaps print a quick draft, small file size might be the way to go. However, for a pristine detailed printout, best quality is the better option. Your choice here will depend on what you need from your printed board. After making your selection, click Export. The Miro platform will work its magic and save the board as a PDF file to your computer. This part of the process is almost instantaneous, but it feels pretty rewarding to see it happen. Once the PDF is exported, locate the file on your computer and open it. You're almost there. Now just send your file to your printer and watch as the digital designs you've worked on come to life in the physical world. And there you have it. You've successfully printed your Miro board. Remember, whether you're printing to share with a team or simply to have a tangible version of your work, this method ensures ease and quality every time. Thanks for joining me today, and happy printing.